Hello YouTube. Listen, I recently had to look for my passwords in Google Chrome to transfer them from my old computer to my new computer. My daughter helped me out, but the job was so simple. I wanted to share it with you, so I made a short video. Let's watch. Hello YouTubers. Welcome back to my success channel. I just wanted to make a quick video to show you how to retrieve your passwords in Google Chrome on your computer. So if you open up your Google Chrome browser, go up to the top right corner and click on your icon with your left mouse. You will see a pop-up screen that shows a key. Do another left click here, and then you will see the next pop-up screen that shows all of your passwords. So these are your websites, your username that you would have used, and the password is here. If you click on the show password icon, then you will be able to retrieve all of your passwords. Thanks for joining. See you next time. And don't forget to subscribe.